Hi again, it's Grace from Gojji, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to use your new P20 Gojji blood pressure monitor. Here we go. You'll have this carrying case. Within the carrying case, you're going to get your owner's manual, your blood pressure monitor, and your blood pressure cuff. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is insert the batteries into the monitor. So on your monitor, on the back, there's a compartment for your batteries. Now we're ready to test. So we're going to take the monitor and our blood pressure cuff, and you'll see right here on the side of the monitor, this is where you place your blood pressure cuff. Make sure it's nice and snug and secure. Now for your blood pressure cuff, always make sure the red portion is facing up and pointing down. Make sure there's a 2-finger gap between the cuff and the bend of your elbow. Rest for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now simply just press the power button to start testing. Once your test is complete, you can view your testing result on the monitor.
Thank you for using telehealth products. Please relax during measurement.
For the P20b blood pressure monitor, you can have up to 4 different users using the monitor without mixing up your readings. Press the up and down buttons to change the user. For yourself, always choose User 1. User 1 is the only user that has their readings uploaded to the Gojji app. If you want your readings to upload, make sure the person 1 symbol is flashing. When a user is selected, press the M button to select that user and view their readings. Remember, your reading should always be under User 1. Press and hold the S button to enter settings. Let's begin with setting up your monitor. We will start by setting the date. The first display is the year. Press the up and down buttons to change the year. Press the S button to continue. Next, we will set the month. Then we will select the day. Press the S button to continue. Here you will set the time format to standard or military time. Press the S button to continue. Next, we will set the hour. And now we will select the minutes. Here you will select the units of pressure. Here we will select mmHg. Next, you can select the volume. The up button will raise the volume. The down button will lower the volume. The next option is the delete button. This setting allows you to delete your readings history. If you don't want to delete your readings, continue with pressing the S button. The next setting allows you to change the language. L1 is for English and L2 is for Spanish. And you're done setting up your Gojji blood pressure monitor. And now you see how easy it is to use the Gojji blood pressure monitor. Quick tip. Don't forget to test at least once a day, preferably upon waking up every morning. If you have any issues, go ahead and give us a call. Thank you and happy testing.